Hello all, I am Pranali. Welcome to Sri SciTech LLC, doing business as SST. We are leader in IT solutions with over 14 years of experience, and we expertise in AI, blockchain, cloud management, web and mobile development. So in today's video, we are going to discuss with SST CEO, Mr. Ganesh Madda, regarding the LLM Insight tool, which is the LLM governance product. Managing large language models in your company is complicated. Like when your CEO, CFO, and CSO wants to see a dashboard for visibility, cost, security, and report on which project or department is consuming the LLM modules and how can we control the cost. What if there was a tool to manage above challenge?
Thank you, Pranali, for again introducing me and then welcome everyone. Okay. So I'm very excited and this is what the product is, which we have launched, which is called as llminsight.ai, which is a LLM governance tool. And whatever Pranali you raised, it's a big challenges. Okay. That's where the LLM Insight will step in. It tackles the biggest challenges that company faces with LLMs and makes management simple and provides the dashboard to all the executives like CEO, CFO, CSO, CIO, CTO so that they can control the cost of the LLM. Nowadays, okay, it's very difficult to know that who is using what, okay, and they need a dashboard. And the first thing the LLM Insight provide is the dashboard across all the LLM models, across all the providers, and it will give you one single pane for that.
So that sounds like a game changer. How exactly does LLM Insight solve these issues?
First, we let's break it down. Okay. First, lack of visibility. You don't know how your LLMs, providers, and modules are being used across different teams and departments or projects. Second, uncontrolled costs. There is no clear way to track and allocate expenses for each LLM providers or models. And third is access control, managing permission and who gets to use and what can get messy and chaotic is that, okay, how to give that access to them. And finally, too many interfaces. You are dealing with different user interfaces for each LLM models, which makes it harder to manage on that, how to go and give an access for each of the, for example, ChatGPT will be having its own URL, Gemini will be having its own URL, the other like Amazon Bedrock will be having its own, everybody will be having, it's a big mess there. So we want to make it into a unified thing.
Wow, that's a lot to juggle. So how does LLM Insight come in and fix all of this?
Very good question. Okay. And I'm very excited to answer that question. So LLM Insight streamlines everything. Okay. And the challenges which current all the executives are facing and managing that. Okay. And controlling that. So here how it works. First of all, it real-time tracking of LLM usage across all teams and departments. So it will log each and every transaction for every LLM provider and the module. Automated cost allocation, so you can exactly see where the money is going. Centralized access management, making permission easy to handle using your Active Directory or anything into that. Okay, I can easily assign that, only that people can access that. One unified chat interface for all your LLM models, saving your time and hassle, so you don't have to log into different URLs and all of that. And the last one is that one dashboard provided to all the executives, CEO, CFO, CSO, CIO, CTOs to check the daily consumption and costing and can control the spend, which can limit up to 30% to 40% of the reduction in the LLM spend, which is approximately if an enterprise client is spending a $1 million, I can see around 300 to 400,000 of costing. I can control it and reduce it.
It sounds like LLM Insight makes managing LLM simple yet efficient. So it's everything your AI team needs to stay ahead of the curve. So with this, we come to the end of today's video. I thank you, sir, for today's discussion. And for those who are interested to know more about LLM Insight, you can visit our website, llminsight.ai. And if you have any questions, you can connect us through SST support at sstglobal.net.
Thank you, Pranali, and thank you everyone, okay, for joining and watching us this video.